Once upon a time, in a vibrant forest, there lived a beautiful and graceful swallow. The swallow had a melodious voice and was adored by all the other birds in the forest. They eagerly awaited her arrival each spring, as her return signaled the arrival of warmer days and the beginning of a joyous season. One year, however, when the swallow returned to the forest, she noticed a change in the atmosphere. The other birds seemed distant and aloof, avoiding her usual company. Perplexed and saddened by their behavior, the swallow approached a wise old owl for guidance. "Dear owl," the swallow asked, "why are the other birds avoiding me? Have I done something to offend them?" The owl, known for his wisdom, listened carefully to the swallow's plight. After a moment of contemplation, he spoke gently, "My dear swallow, it seems the other birds have become envious of your grace, beauty, and enchanting voice. They are overcome with jealousy and feel inferior in your presence." The swallow was taken aback. She couldn't understand why her fellow birds would be jealous of her, as she had always cherished their company and considered them her friends. Determined to address the issue, she decided to organize a gathering where all the birds could express their thoughts openly. The swallow invited every bird in the forest to a meeting beneath a grand oak tree. As they gathered, the swallow perched herself at the center, ready to listen to each bird's concerns. One by one, the birds voiced their grievances, expressing their jealousy and feelings of inadequacy. The swallow listened patiently and empathetically, understanding their insecurities. When it was her turn to speak, she addressed the gathering with utmost sincerity. "My dear friends, I had no idea my presence was causing such distress among you. I value every one of you and would never wish to make you feel inferior. Let us remember that each of us possesses unique qualities and gifts that make us special." She continued, "Instead of focusing on what separates us, let us celebrate our strengths and support one another. I am but a humble swallow, blessed with the ability to sing and soar through the skies. Each one of you has remarkable abilities that contribute to the beauty of this forest." The swallow's words resonated deeply with the other birds. They realized the folly of their envy and jealousy and were inspired by her humility and kindness. The gathering ended with a renewed sense of unity and camaraderie among the birds. From that day forward, the forest was filled with the harmonious songs of all the birds, each embracing their unique talents. The swallow, grateful for the understanding and acceptance she had received, continued to bring joy to the forest with her melodious voice. The story of the swallow and the other birds spread throughout the forest, becoming a fable shared from generation to generation. It served as a reminder to value and appreciate one another, celebrating the diversity of talents and strengths that exist within a community. And so, the swallow and the other birds lived harmoniously, united in their appreciation for one another, and the forest flourished with the beauty of their collective voices.